everyone, Dead Old Nerf Guy here. Today, little mod on this Nerf Rival Fate. It is gonna be a Nerf Mega conversion provided to me by Joshua from Frantz Foam Works. The design is from Kaotica. To note, those parts were prototype, as I understand in the messages. And I can explain why those are prototype. I'm going to explain while installing it. This is a dart holder to go on it. And this is the inner barrel. Let's not lose any more time. Open this blaster. So we are in. Okay, so the idea here would be to either fit or replace this inner barrel and prevent it from opening. To prevent it from opening would be to remove the lock in it, or to remove the spring. That would help, and maybe fix it there. But we're gonna check that out right now. Okay, so this is the biggest part of this kit, I think. I need to replace it from the inside. So there must be a way to remove it by prying it. Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to have to remove the inner barrel, install this, and we're going to remove the restrictor out of this tube. Yeah, let me just replace this. Okay, this was way easier than expected. Really, I just pulled on it. It just came by itself. Now, I insert it. My best guess is as flush as possible. Yeah. And then we're going to insert this portion down here, very tight around this part. Okay, so it's going to hold. Without the spring, it's not going to move. Perfect. Okay, let's remove that restrictor. So basically, we got mechanical spring pretty much everywhere except for the catch. Go guess why, but this trigger, ooh, I'm worried about this one. This is going to be the weak spot of this blaster. For the restrictor, this is, pretty much the same. Oh no! We have a nice little screw down the bottom. So I'm going to be able to remove it cleanly. Thank you, Nerf, for this thing. Thank you. Yay! Now we can easily remove it. Put it back in its place. This is going to be good enough there. This little catch spring goes here. Okay, this is going to be this kind of fun to insert it in. Okay, cool. So as long as I hold this part, I will be good. So now, let's... It seems pretty much at the bottom. And it's going to be holding with the barrel. Okay, let's leave it as is for now. Maybe some tape to hold it. Yeah, probably. Let me tape that thing up, put back everything in place, and we're gonna do some chronograph. Yeah, all closed up, everything is clean. It looks like a regular blaster. The orange is not exactly the same, but it's quite nice, and it's not opening anymore when firing. Yeah, there's a way to elongate it like that, but I will fix it permanently, maybe put a screw somewhere or a stopper. But other than that, it is pretty neat. As for my thought, at thinking those were prototype, as I understood, it's because of this little dart holder. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna install it. The only dart I had was this all-worn Mega Dart. So for the Chronograph Test, I had to grab myself some brand new Mega Dart before I do it. This thing. This goes from, yeah, this way. You install it right there and you lock it with the other piece on the other side. This is pretty neat on paper. I already mentioned my concern to Joshua updating it on this kit, which should come pretty soon up online on his site. It is pretty nice. It is holding. The only thing, you will have to cancel this yellow part to cut it out to be able to fit a dart inside, because it's not really going in like that. And yeah, you see, with a worn dart it doesn't matter because you put it all crooked, but it's not exactly that. You could, but you will wear your dart a little bit, maybe a 2-3 millimeters thicker in the middle, just to put it down a little, but nonetheless still useful if you have older dart. It's amazing. This thing works. And for this, is it firing? Yeah, and it flies. Let's do a small chronograph test, fire test on it, and we'll come back for a little final word on this thing. So chronograph test for this Nerf Rival Fate Mega Conversion Kit by Kaotica design from Frantz Foam Works. Yeah, pretty decent. I mean, 82 average, 72 minimum, 91 maximum. Yeah, it's almost what the blaster give us on Rival Performance. That's cool, that's cool. And we have an extra dart loaded in. That's pretty neat. This thing was pretty fun. I don't even have a name for this kit. It's a Nerf Rival Fate Mega Conversion Kit by Kaotica Design. This thing was provided by Frantz Foam Works. Thank you, Josh, for this thing. This is awesome. This blaster is really good, and I really dig single shot blaster. I didn't have a lot of Mega in my arsenal. As I told you, I had to buy dart for those tests. Yeah, kit is super easy to install. Video was almost in real time, so here you go. This is a good kit. That's it for this small video. In the meantime, you can always follow me on Facebook and Instagram at that old Nerf guy. Please leave a like and comment, subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell to notify for my latest video. This was Dave Fatag. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.